Today, we're unlocking a powerful Python pattern to build cleaner and way stronger software.
Ugh, we've all been there, right? Your code becomes this tangled mess where one small change breaks everything.
Yeah, it's a super common problem. You're passing around these big live connections, and it makes everything so brittle. So what if we just separated the instructions from the actual finished thing? That's the whole idea here. So think of the house as that live connection. It's heavy, it's complicated, and you really can't copy it. But the blueprint? That's just data. It's the plan, not the final thing, so it's super easy to pass around.
And this whole idea has a name, the builder pattern. So let's see how to actually build one in Python.
Okay, step 1. Our database blueprint class just holds the config data, like the host and user. That's it. And here's a huge pro tip for security. You never hard code passwords. You load them safely only when needed. All right, step 2, the build action. The .build method is what actually creates that heavy object, but only on demand. So using it is dead simple. You make one blueprint, pass it around, then call .build whenever you need a connection. And check out the difference. You go from messy and risky code to something that's clean, secure, and flexible.
But look, this is way more than just a neat coding trick. It's a fundamental shift in your thinking.
You're not just writing lines of code anymore. Now you're actually designing how all the pieces get built.
Adds the real power, right? It's not the object, but having the power to create it whenever you want.
And this isn't just for databases. You can use this for API clients, file handles, basically any heavy resource. So the real question is, what parts of your own code are just waiting to become a clean, reusable blueprint?